Hello out there and welcome to my channel. My name is Milesy and today we're going to look at the May eBay box. And this box actually is in two pieces this month, just because I couldn't find a good, interesting assortment in a single box. But I still did stick to my usual rules of I shouldn't spend any more than $30 before shipping, and that's what I did. And I got two boxes for it. And here's the first box. Let's go ahead and see if we can figure out how to tear into this thing. There we go. Little bit. Now, like always, I vaguely remember what I ordered, but I don't really remember what exactly was in each of these. This one's gonna be fun. Okay, so item number one that we're going to be pulling out of here is some 14 count. It doesn't say what color it is, but yes, this kind of antique white natural. I'm not sure what the color is on that, and I'm using my potato camera again for the same reason as the stitchy box. So yes, the kind of natural color. It doesn't say the color on here, but it's 50% cotton, 42% polyester, and 8% linen, so that would dye really interestingly, actually, if I wanted to. Here is some 16 count, in the same kind of color. It's hard to tell. And these are by the Charles Craft. So I'm not really sure where they put their information. I can't see any information. I've got one more that is 14 count, and it's the same blend of fibers as the other ones, and it's this kind of darker cream color. There we go. Those are some nice ones. I also have a couple of them. This is 14 by 17 inch. It doesn't say what count, but it looks like it's 14, and it's this kind of white color. I'm gonna hold it back a little bit from the camera. It's still super overexposed. Some 14 by 17, what appears to be 18 count, in a slightly brighter color. And then I have some 10 by 15, appears to be 14 count. And then these are the last two. Oh, three. And there's a note. I'm going to take that off and set that aside. So we have some, what is this, 14 count, 14 by 18 in this nice blue. There we go, that's nice. And then 14 by 18, a really deep red. I like that one. That one's pretty. And then what was this? There we go. Okay, there's just a little note from the seller saying that she tried to describe everything to the best of her ability. There we go. And then there's this little, one of those strips that you use for like bookmarks or something. So there's that. And that is the first half. Let's move the box out of the way and go on to the second half right here. And we'll just cut into this one. There we go. Oh boy, lots of stuff in this one. I'm gonna have fun with it. Let's pull this out first. And first we have some Zweigart. It's 18 by 25, 18 count, a nice dark blue. I like that one. This is some 18 by 25, 8 count, and a nice dark red. And then the same deal. It's dark green. I like that. What else? Oh, there's some more. I'm going to set that aside because that's a thing to be gone through later. Here is a... Oh, it's adorable. I think it's supposed to be a kit. I can't tell if there's anything in here with it. It's definitely supposed to be a kit, but I think the floss might have been yanked out of there somehow. I can't tell. Anyway, here's this adorable little bib project thing. Goes there. I'm just pulling everything out to see if there's anything underneath all of this other stuff, and then I'll go through that last. Okay. More stuff like that, and then I did get, also, a wooden spring hoop. Haven't seen one of these in a long time, but it has the spring here that kind of lets it open and close. You can't change the tension on it, though. I'm not super fond of these, but there's that. And then, I guess the best way to do this is just start going bag by bag. There's an awful, awful, awful lot of floss, which is nice because I'm running out of a lot of colors. And I still haven't organized that stuff from the last month's box. So, let's put this stuff elsewhere for now. That way I have the room to go through all of the floss. My goodness. Okay. So, the first little bag of floss right here. Hard to see. I know. I apologize. I'll try to fix the color in post. I'm usually pretty good at being able to do that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take all the floss that I count and I'll put it in the bag that my fabric came in. That way it's all in one piece. So we have this, this all appears to be DMC. Some of it's been used, some of it is new, and it's all very old. I don't know if you can see that label. That's one of their super old labels. I didn't check the listing to see what the brand of floss was. I just saw the floss in the picture and said, ooh, that looks nice. Hope you're not a number tab. Nope, you're not. Okay. Yeah, this so far all seems like DMC. And that's all the really older stuff. That's fine. It seems like it was kept in pretty good condition. It just smells a little old. There's no noticeable funk coming off of it, so that's nice. That means that it can be used without too much hassle. Oh, there we go. You guys can't even see what I'm looking at. Let me try that again. Okay. But yeah, just a lot of it. My camera's really high today. Just a bunch of different little colors here. And there's a lot. Here's another bag. And just kind of check to make sure that it is all DMC as well. Yep. Yep, yep. Okay, cool. I have uses for flosses that aren't DMC, but I have more uses for flosses that are. A little more. And some greens and blues and purples. They're all kind of organized by color group a little bit. Not really. Some of them are. Maybe they were organized by project. Maybe that's what's going on. Yeah, here's a bunch more. Kind of, yeah. It all appears to be some super old DMC. But the, yeah. The labels are in kind of sad state on some of these, and there's a little bit of dust, but I'm not sure how old these labels are. Let me see if I can see a date on one that has a full label. A lot of them don't. There we go. Does it have a date? Nope. No date. And I don't know what or how the labels changed over the years. So here's somebody. That one's got a little bit of stain on it. Uh-oh. Oh well, it's 1/2 skein of 932. And for the most part, it's just kind of Seems like it's been shoved in a bag and forgotten for a long time. It doesn't seem particularly faded. It's nice and soft. It hasn't got any issues with that on there, so that's nice. That one looks good. The labels are so old, they've got a picture on it explaining how you use the floss, which I don't think you can see. It doesn't want to focus. I have it on autofocus. It doesn't work. Yeah, there we go. Lots of that. So far, it all appears to be DMC. That's nice. Here's another bag. I wasn't kidding when I said I got a lot of floss on this one. And yep, DMC. I'm not going through all of the individual colors. There's a lot here, though. That'll keep me busy for a while when I go to organize it. Yep, cool. There we go. Here's another bag. Ooh, there's a bright red in there. Nice. What color? Bright red. 666 bright red. Nice. And then a lot of these grays that I seem to run out of, so that's nice. Another one right here. Okay, there we go. Yep, this is all DMC as well, and I just dropped one, and it's already creating a huge pile on my table, but that's fine. DMC, yep. Nothing that's gonna catch me out. And then, what is this? Here's some more DMC. Some purples. A little bag of purples. 209, 208, and 211. Okay, that's nice. And then there's this enormous bag of floss. So, there's some that has no labels, so I'm just going to leave this bag as it is. Not going to keep all of this. Some of this is either too used up or there's just really no way to know what it is. So, that's fine. I don't mind that. But yeah, there we go. Let's put that up there as well. Plus there was all the fabric and the hoop. So definitely got more for eBay box this month than I did for the Stitchy box last week. And I paid less for this than I did for the Stitchy box, and that includes shipping. But yeah, there we go. That is the eBay box this month. A lot of floss. That's going to keep me busy. A lot of fabric that I can use on things. Not a whole lot of stuff with this one that I didn't know what to do with or that I didn't think I'd have any use for, which is really nice. Pretty much everything will get used at some point. I might even use that weird hoop to frame something in because it looks kind of cool. Like, yeah, it's pretty cool looking, so that's something. Just not something I'd use to actually stitch with because in my experience, they don't hold tension too well, but that's fine. I got a lot of stuff here. I think total, including the shipping, was about $50 for the both of them. So yeah, that was a really nice deal there. And I am pretty happy with this month's box. Lost my train of thought. Yes. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Thank you for watching. If you would like to support future videos and get some neat stuff in return, please head over to my Patreon page. Your support means a lot to me and goes a long way. If you're not in a position to donate, consider sharing this video with your friends to help this channel grow. Otherwise, please enjoy this goat.